Evie, you don't like TV, do ya?
Limiting Penn State to one shot. Good job by Ballwinkle of hitting a body on the Penn State.
Evie. Boing, boing, boing. Good morning, Evie. Hi, sweetie. Throwing. Fancy new hat on. Yeah, is that funny?
Hi, Evie.
Oh,
thank you.
Big one.
Thanks for the kisses.
Good girl, Evie.
You want to kiss Daddy, too? Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy.
Oh, here we come. Evie, is Daisy going to be your best bud?
Gentle. Be gentle to Daisy. Where's Evie? Where is she? There she is. Dang it.
Throw it.
He's trying to feed it to her.
Evie's first bath in the big tub.
Hi, Bo.
Bo's gonna jump in with you.
Come on, Bo. You can get in. Daisy, you getting in too?
Daisy's gonna push him in.
Bo, you getting in? Come on, Bo.
Go, Bo, jump! Jump! Bo, jump! I'm gonna push you.
Let's go get it.
Let's go get the ball. You just want to look at the camera.
Beneath the jumper?
Jump in! Jump in, Evie!
Is that a little
Dive
scary?
in.
Is that a little... Did you want in there? Do you need a little help?
She's gonna get that stuff out of there. She likes the box best.
We fit. It's Evie playing. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that's gonna be bad.
Oh my.
0% stability. Are you reading? Hi, sweet. Good job.
She had it everywhere.
She's being very dainty.
For the toes.
Did you guys practice it? Very nice.
Monkey girl.
Very flexible. Just
I'm relaxed.
Got my face.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Oh, my cute.
You're gross.
Yummy. Who made her do that?
More frosting.
There's two friends. No, three friends. Watching some Baby Einstein together. Cuddled up on a rainy afternoon. Good, Daisy. Wow.